Let's go. Let's go check it out. So today, I just want to show you guys what I'm going to have. I'm about to show you guys a free prop frame where you can, join and join challenge, guys. And yeah, so I'm going to go to my Chrome first. I wanted to upload the video, but I want to make it live so it will look cool. Sorry. Um, yeah. So you click the link in my bio, or let me just say in the description below, so you can get access to this. You guys, I'm just coming. Hold on a bit. Uh, okay. First of all, you need to come to this website. After coming to this website, you need to just log in, or let me just call it sign up to this website. After you sign up, I'm going to show you the process right now. I just want this thing to load or finish. So after I sign up, you're going to come to this place, competition. You click on competition. You'll be on dashboard, then you come to competition. Then shit, it's still loading. We'll go back to dashboard. Okay, so let's go to competition. Okay, so this is it. Guys, we have just 4 more days left to join this July competition. You guys should hurry up and join this ASAP. We have 25k people contesting for this, and I'm going to be picking from 1 to 600. So you have a chance. If you can trade very well, you can do it. Even if you don't get it this July, there's a competition going on August. You can also apply. See, just click on register for 35 days. In the next 35 days, this competition is going to run for 1 month, guys. 1 month. So they're going to be giving. Let me show you the details. They're going to be giving us price. The first person is going to take $7,000 in cash. Second person $3,000. Third person $2,000. While fourth and fifth is $1,000. And first person is going to get a Stellar two-step 300k account. That's a prop firm account that I'm going to give you. Second person 200k account. Third person 100k account. If you can't even get it to the top, let me say the top 10 or top 20, at least get into the top, like from top 100, because from 25th to the 100th person, from 21st to the 100th person is 15k account. As you can see, they're going to give 15k account, but no cash prize. But if you are from number 1 to number 20, if you fall in that category, you're going to be getting cash rewards, which is very good, at least. And 101 to 600, they're going to be getting lottery tickets. Those, you know, they receive 6k accounts. 50 winners will be selected, and the winners will receive 6k accounts. That is also cool, because out of that 600, that 101 600, they're going to be picking 50 people, 50 lucky people, and they're going to be getting 6k accounts. That is actually cool, right? And if you don't want to go through this, you can also buy an account, a funded account from them, or you go to Consummate. When you go to Consummate, just sign up and then buy an account from them. That's this other way you can do it. So guys, I already advise you guys to do this, because trading is like the way, man. So these are the rules. The drawdown calculated based on balance. 5% daily loss, maximum loss 10%. Participants must reach a requirement of 5 trading days. That means even if you hit your goal of 100% of the account, if you make 100% of the account, you must at least trade 5 days. Even if you make if they give you 100k, because the account is 100k, the account is 100k. So if you make that 100k account, $100,000 in a day, on the first day, you have to keep on trading for till next 5 days, because it must be 5 days. You have to trade for 5 days. News trading is allowed. You can trade with news. Commission is $3 per lot for forex and commodities. No commission on indices. So they have indices, not volatility, but they have indices of like US indices. Accounts will be swap free. EAs are not allowed. Maximum lot size of 5 per position for forex pairs, and 3 for indices, commodities, and metals. Metals like gold, XAU, XAG. Participants can hold a maximum of five positions at a time. Yeah, you can hold five positions at a time. That means, I think, per position you can open five lot size. That means you can open five times. That is for furthest. That is 25 lot size, 25 standard lots on that 100K account, which can boost your this thing and to bring bigger loss too. So it's either it make you more successful or brings you down on the leaderboard, because there's going to be a leaderboard. One account per one IP, like your IP address, not one person. And you can hold the trade over the weekend. I think I saw it. Yes, overnight or over weekend holding is permitted. Something like that is there. So you guys can just come here to this site and then do the needful. Just click on register. It's going to be showing you a register. See, register. You're going to see it here. I've already registered for it, so I'm going to be taking part in the challenge, and that's not all. So I still want to show you something on the chat. Okay, my view. I want to show you my view on this chart. So on USD CHF, which is the first one I'm going to show you today, it's going to be a sell because first of all the trend is a sell, as you can see, a sell. But it looks like it's changing direction from here. I'm so sorry for the camera disturbance. Okay, I'm trying to check something out. Okay, so yeah, okay. Looks like it's changing direction to a buy side, but because you see higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. As you can see, they're not on the same line. As you can see here, this is the previous low. It didn't touch it. Go to the next one. It didn't still touch it, and it's going back up. But I have a strong belief when it gets to this point, it's going to like come back down, because let me just show you on the 15 minutes time frame, smaller time frame. As you can see, there's a lot of there's a very big okay, sorry, this is not it. Oh, okay, this is it here. Nothing has gotten close to that since that time. There's imbalance here, change of character, everything. Like full SMC strategy was there, as you can see, there's an imbalance there. But I'm also putting my position here. My sell limit is here because I want to be on the safer side. I don't want to end up losing too much on this trade. And this might take days to activate, but I'm still keeping it there, you know. And the other one I'll show you, EURGBP. Yes, this is a buy. If you can see this today, this should be a buy. If you can see this right now, this is a buy, as you can see, I've already marked it out. This is it is going up back, it already had four touches. It's normally after four touches, no, three. The fourth one didn't really touch it, but after most time after four touches it breaks out. But let's see. That's when my stop loss is under this trend line, so in case it breaks out, then I'm out of the trade. It's about, I think, 20 pips stop loss. My take profit is going to be here. My final take profit is here, but for the sake of safety, I have to put it here, because that was like the next point here. This point here, as you can see, there's a great imbalance here. So this is the other block here. So I'm putting my take profit here. I'm supposed to put it here like this, but let's see. Let's go. So as you can see, when it gets here, it's going to trigger activate it. As you can see, it's already, this imbalance was last week news. It's already filled it though. It's filled it up here. It's filled it up to this extent, but it didn't touch the other block that caused the imbalance. As you can see, it didn't touch it. But let's go. So my take profit is there under that other block that caused the imbalance. So that's why I'm going to use the smaller time frame. What There's a third one I want to show you guys. Okay. Oh, I think I didn't. Okay, ERGPY. I think it's ERGPY. This one is instant. This is instant trading. I want to try and start analyzing just 4 or 5 pairs right now, because I'm still starting. I'm not really a pro there, so I'm still starting though. So I want to minimize the amount of charts I'll be looking at and the amount of pairs I'll be analyzing. I want to analyze at least just 5 pairs. So I say at least maximum of 5 pairs, because that's going to be the best thing to do. Like maximum of 5 pairs is the best. Let me show you guys something. What made me look at this position? Because you can see, I'm using SMC. You may not know that, but I'm using SMC. I would have used this candle here over here, but first of all, it didn't break the structure. It didn't, but it broke this. But this is not a structure. This is a structure here. This last eye here, so it didn't break it. But this candle here, broke it. It broke the structure, and yes. So I'm waiting for it to come back, because there's an aggressive selling also. Demand, like you guys know, demand. So an aggressive buying, sorry. So if it's come back to this place, I'm going to be taking the trade. This space, I think from 156.266 to 156.145. So I'm going to be taking the trade at this top here for 277. Sorry. And my stop loss will be 20 pips. That's all. I don't do more than 20 pips. Maximum I'm taking is 25 pips. And it really affected me. So in case the trade is not going to go my way, the stop loss is going to be about around this place. Okay, so let's see. Around this area. Yeah, this is the stop loss. Exactly the perfect place. This is it here. So in case if it's going to touch it, because first of all, if you want to trade, you have to put your mind that it's not going to go your way. Because if you are thinking, oh, I'm going to win this trade, I'm going to win this trade, most times it only affects. Because if I think, oh, I'm going to win this trade because my previous trade was good, my analysis was superb, I win some couple of dollars, I'm like, oh yeah, this trade is going to go my way because I'm using the same strategy, bro. No. This is apart from tech analysis, this is a game of probability, bro. Anything can happen. So you have to be very, very careful the way you treat the markets. And if we are looking at something like this from this area, bro, like look at this imbalance. Look at this imbalance. You filled it up back with another imbalance. You filled it up with another imbalance, as you can see. This 1, 2, 3. They are not touching themselves. 1, 2, 3 are also not touching themselves. 1, 2, 3 are also not touching themselves. Like you can see, there's imbalance here. Look at this. There's a fair value gap. As you can see, fair value gaps there. They're not touching themselves, except this one, this second candle and this fourth candle here. They have a connection here, but there's clearly an imbalance there. As you can see, it took out this imbalance, it filled this imbalance, sorry, and then it traded downwards, it came back up. If it was to be a reversal, if I wanted to trade a reversal, this would be the perfect entry for a reversal, because this is the other block that is causing this imbalance here. And now it triggered this other block last week Friday. It didn't trade downwards, it was just consolidating yesterday night, because the market opened yesterday night on my side. And this area here, as you can see, it triggered there again, came down back in the other block. If it should come here, I'm going to. That's why I didn't place a buy limit here yet. That's the reason why I didn't place a buy limit here yet. I'm going to watch the trade. If it comes down here, I'm going to check if it is coming down with full speed, like with imbalances like this. I'm not going to take the trade. But if it's coming down steadily, like steadily, heavily, like small candles, like this, then I'm going to take the trade. But if it is coming down with big candles, like very big candles, like this one here, I'm not going to take the trade at all for a buy, because that is very, very dangerous. Like, bro, you can't be trading when there's imbalance, because it's good. Well, I didn't say much. You should understand if you're a trader. And this is GBP USD. Bro, I love this pair because Jeffrey Benz is changing it and it gives us more insight on it. Because I just finished his class. We just finished his class about 2 hours ago. I think 2 hours ago. Yeah, about 2 hours ago. 2 hours 20 minutes ago, and it was fun. Actually, it was fun. Let me see, 4 hours time frame. Okay. Let me go to my MC5. I analyze better on MC5. Okay. Okay, with my GBP USD chart. Okay. It's almost it's my sell limits. Actually, I'm using this line for the beast of Wall Street. That's what they call the man. He uses the first 4 hour, the first two 4 hour candles, the high and the low. Anyone that breaks above or breaks below, then for the week is going to be a sell, and if it breaks above, it's going to be a buy. Jeff Bezos also stated that, but yes, he also stated that in his life, and yes, that's just it. But you can still just come here, do your analysis by yourself, zoom in. Okay, sorry, I'm down with cold. Okay, so the reason why I'm selling here is because first of all, as you can see, there is imbalance here. Like, bro, this is imbalance. From this, I'm not talking about this other block here. I'm talking about these three bullish candles. There's imbalance here. Like, this space has to be filled up. So my order is here on this tip right here. Two. My stop loss is about, I think, stop loss about 20 pips. Yes, as I told you before, 20 pips. This is 20 pips stop loss. And my take profit is down here because it made this low. I don't know what happened. Maybe because of news. But it made this low right here. So now my take profit is. And this is going well. I placed this trade when I placed this limit when it was right about this area. But now it's going well. It should near my limits and then it should sell very soon. And yeah, that is all about this. I hope you guys enjoyed it, man. This is my first long live stream I'm going to be doing, and I'm going to be doing more and more of it, the coming weeks or anytime I'm very free, I'm going to be showing you guys, various ways to make money, and we learn together because I'm also learning. I'm still a learner in this space. So we're going to be learning together all the way, just simple stuff. And you guys share your idea about what you think. Just tell me in the comment section what you think about this video, this live stream. Sorry, if it is cool and if it is not cool, please just tell me so I can tell me the mistakes I'm making. And sorry if I'm not talking very well. I have a runny nose and my nose is blocked. Actually, my nose is blocked. So, alright, see you guys soon. GG's guys. I said GG's. GG's for game.